Everyone's today talking about the Karnataka model. How exactly did the state manage to keep its number of cases very low, or even for that matter, the mortality rate? In fact, from the BBMP, the civic body, also in fact the COVID task team, they tell us is that they have in fact a slew of measures that they had put in place to ensure the numbers do not in fact rise. Now, one of the things what we understand is the setting of the war rooms. Secondly, as on today, we see that the containment zones have gone up nearly 54 of them here in the city of Bengaluru. In fact, to give you a brief idea how exactly this works, now we see especially people over here in this particular stretch of road, we see there is sanitization that's been happening. They are spraying. Now, this is the entry of this particular stretch of road. On the other side, we understand the exit has been completely sealed with iron gates. Now, this particular outpost that has been set up by the police, we see not just there are medical officials, but we also see there is district administration who will be deployed. Apart from that, we also hear that there will be even police officers who will keep constant vigil right here on the people who are quarantined inside of their homes. Now, we see at least so far over 3,000 of them have clearly violated the home quarantine rules, and right now they have also been shifted to institutional quarantines. But remember, understanding the fact, the influx of people who are right now quarantined in the institutions, we see Karnataka government is strictly enforcing the fact that people continue to stay indoors of their house. Now, this is the situation which is being right now exercised everywhere across the state of Karnataka. And of course, we also understand that in all of the 54 containment zones as on today, now we see they have blocked the entry and the exit of the stretch of road as well, which means people will not be allowed to enter or even exit that particular stretch of road. We see that we also understand from the civic body that only the essential, in fact, commodities, or even for that matter, essential items, activities will be carried out on this particular stretch of area. And this is just an example which we are showing you right now. This is the situation across Bengaluru and also Karnataka as well. Now, another major thing over here for Karnataka is that Karnataka was one of the first states to ban, especially returnees coming in from Maharashtra, high-risk states, Maharashtra and Gujarat, as well as, in fact, Tamil Nadu. This is to ensure that the state, in fact, managed to keep their numbers low. Apart from this, we also see, apart from the containment zones and contact tracing, testing and treatment, these are some of the slew measures which have been right now taken by the Karnataka government to ensure that the numbers remain low. With video journalist Pradeep, this is Shrija reporting from Mirror Now in Bengaluru.